For this video, we're going to need the following standard result. The integral of a times e to the power bx, where a and b are constants, is equal to a over b times e to the power bx plus a constant of integration, c. The best way to see why this identity works is to use integration by substitution. So let's do two examples, one where we use integration by substitution to reach the answer, and another where we make direct use of the result stated at the top of the screen. For a, we're asked to integrate e to the power 2x dx. Now, if we want to use substitution, we have to pick a part of the function to substitute for a new variable, and in cases like this, we usually pick the power, which in this case is 2x. So, let u equal 2x, then we have that du by dx is equal to 2, so that du is equal to 2 dx, and thus dx is equal to 1/2 du. So, when we put that change of variables into the integral, we get that the integral of e to the power 2x with respect to x becomes the integral of e to the power u times 1/2 with respect to u, which we can rewrite more neatly as the integral of 1/2 e to the power u du. Now, we don't have a constant in that power anymore, we just have the variable u. So we know that the answer is just 1/2 e to the power u plus a constant of integration, c. Now we substitute back in that u equals 2x and we get 1/2 e to the power 2x plus c. If we now look at the formula at the top, we can see that using substitution we have obtained the answer we would expect to get using this formula. Hopefully this helps to illustrate why this formula works. Let's look at another example. In this example, we will use the formula directly rather than doing substitution, as in practice this is much quicker. We have the integral of 6e to the power 3x plus 7 with respect to x. We can see that this is the sum of two functions. So, as always, we can integrate each separately and then add up the answers. The first part is in the exact form of the formula at the top, so we can use this rule, and the second part is just a constant, which we already know how to integrate. So our answer is 6 over 3e to the power 3x, that's using the formula, plus 7x. That's the integration of the constant 7 plus c. We can simplify this slightly by noting that 6 over 3 is just 2, so our final answer is 2e to the power 3x plus 7x plus c.